welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a new backdrop, kind of testing some things out. Don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's showing some things, but we are working on it. I just got it not too long ago, first time using it, so we are working on the backdrops. Let me know if you have ideas or recommendations. Just got this fabric at Hobby Lobby. But today, you guys, we are going to be reviewing a wig I got off the Wish app. If you don't know, the Wish app is kind of like a sketchy app where they sell things ridiculously, unbelievably cheap. So you can go buy outfits there for like $1, $2, $3 there, and most of the time they're not what you think they are. But anyway, I have not ordered anything off Wish before. This is my first order. I actually ordered 2 things. This is the first thing that came in. It came in yesterday, and me and my boyfriend had a little bit of fun messing around with this. I have never in my life worn a wig. I've had extensions, I've had clip-ins, but I've never ever worn a wig. So this is the hair. It's actually similar to what my hair looks like now, but in a wig version. So this is what we're looking at, and actually the quality of it is not that bad. Like, I'm not mad at it. One thing that is kind of different, it's definitely not a lace front. It has like this fake scalp looking thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. All right here. But the blend of the blonde and the dark hair, I'm not mad at it. It's not that bad. It's very long, very soft hair. For $10, I'm not gonna complain about this whatsoever. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like on. Okay. I actually wear extensions. I have extensions in my hair as we speak, so it might not fit my head completely. We're gonna have to find out. Okay, so right now I'm just putting my hair, I'm gonna put it in a low ponytail like that, and then I guess take this other rubber band and wrap it into a bun, a very low bun. I've never really tried on a wig, so I'm not very good at this. I don't really know what I'm doing. So again, this is the hair. I mean, it's long. It's a lot of hair. It's pretty thick. I typed in real human hair whenever I was looking for it. I think this is synthetic. I'm pretty sure it's synthetic. Okay. Here we go. If I'm putting this on, nobody make fun of me. I've never ever in my life put on a wig. Oh my god. How do people do this? Okay, in videos I see people like, wait, hook it. Like, come on. It's definitely very tight on my head. I'm not gonna lie. It is very tight. And the way the part is set up, I'm kind of confused if it's supposed to be a side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm confused if this is supposed to be a side part or, oh my god, it's moving up on my head. Look how big my forehead looks. Oh no. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same outfit as my last video, is because I just got done filming it and I moved on to this video. So this is very different. I'm just, okay, it's getting a little bit tingly. Okay, a lot of bit tingly. It's a lot of bit tingly. If I didn't have extensions in my hair, I feel like this would fit my head very well, but I have extensions in, so not so much. I wish it didn't make my, like, come on guys, It looks like I have an out frame of my face, like something like shaping my face. This is really weird. I don't know how to fix that. I'm in a really awkward position right now. Maybe if I put a hat on this, it would look good. Like, I'm not mad about the color. I like how it flows. I think this is really, really pretty. What I'm mad about is whenever it gets like right here. Like, if I could get a hat and put it on this, I think it would look pretty decent. Or like a bandana or something to cover all of this up. I don't know. Okay, so I went ahead and got a hat. I don't know if it's going to fit on my head with all of this hair, y'all. This is a lot of hair. You have my that didn't even like attempt to go on. Like, that didn't even work. Push. Look at this. Okay, let's try this again. Let me put my hair in just like a ponytail. How about that? I just have so much hair as it is, so this is very, very difficult with the wig on. Okay. Okay, this is a lot easier. I'm still having weird hairline problems, but it's easier. My hair's in a ponytail, so this is, you know what's weird? This actually almost, my hair is a little bit lighter, but almost perfectly matches my hair. This is just more orangey tone. But like, if I put my hair in a ponytail, I feel like you couldn't really tell. Like, I just don't think you could tell. Okay. Oh my god. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe it's a Wish wig. This is so weird. I'm not mad at it. It's very, very flowy. It's long. I already have long hair, but I don't know why this one, the wig is more fun than my extensions. I don't know why. I feel like someone's gonna like snatch it off, but oh well. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed out a little bit so y'all can really see what's going on here. It's not a bad look. Like, for $10, would I do this again? Yes, absolutely. I think it's fun. I think I fixed the part thing that's going on. I'd like it a lot more if I could somehow make baby hairs coming out and not look like my forehead is a 5 head. Maybe I can make it look like a 3 head. There we go. There's my 2 head right there. 1, 2. I don't know. This is fun. I like it. It's fun. You know, I'm not mad at you, Wish. I'm not mad at you. The colors, I think the color's really pretty, actually. Like, I'm not, look, I can do some bomb selfies with this. Bitch, I'm the real Hannah Montana. Okay, so overall my review on that wig is not a negative one. I think it's good for the money. I think that if you're a serious wig buyer and you want a really good quality wig, do not order it off Wish. Go to your beauty supply place or order it where you would normally order real human hair wigs. But I threw it on the floor. Hold up. Now it's all tangled. Oh, girl. We gotta fix you. I'm gonna call her Bethany. We gotta fix you, Bethany. We gotta fix you. I'm not mad at this, you know? If you want to have fun, you want to change your hair up, get a different color, you know, I would recommend you getting hair off Wish. I don't know. The shedding is real. Can you see all that? Oh, Bethany. You is shedding, girl. All over me, more than my dog. Ooh. I'm gonna have to vacuum. Okay, well, if you do decide to wear this, do not be whipping your hair around because you are going to have clumps of hair flying out everywhere. Like, I have hair all over me. Okay, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed my honest review on this Wish app experience. I have a couple more things. What is going on here? I have a couple more things coming in from Wish that I will be reviewing. I ordered, I believe, 2 dresses, I want to say. I'm just waiting for them to come in. This wig actually only took 1 week to come in, which I thought it was going to come in from like China and take maybe 2 or 3 months. I don't know. But it only took a week to come in. It actually came in before my Victoria's Secret, which I ordered on the the exact same day. So really confused on how that works, but Victoria's Secret, you better hurry the fuck up. But anyway, so go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media apps, and let me know if you want me to try to actually make this wig work, like maybe pull some baby hairs through, mess around with it, and style it to make it look functionable to wear outside. Maybe a vlog about it. I don't know. Give me some ideas. Alright, thank you for watching.